Just look at how much money I have made recently with this one. This simple yet effective method is perfect for anyone who likes watching some videos. You're watching one right now, so imagine that you get paid for it. Just make sure to watch how exactly this method works so you don't lose any of your time, guys. It is very simple, it's easy, and it works. So if you want to make some money, follow me along the video and please like the video as well because it really helps. Now let's get started. So guys, first of all, come on to microworkers.com, and here is the place where you will earn that money, guys. A lot of money can be used by this. A lot of money is circulating on this website, and as you can see, a lot of jobs here, so you can choose whatever you want. There is something for everyone. There are some surveys, some watching videos, there are some data entry jobs, so there is really something for everyone. You can just come and choose here, but first of all, I want to show you the traffic on this website, guys. As you can see, micro workers accumulate almost 1 million, guys. 1 million people coming here every single month, and that's nice traffic, guys. Very nice traffic. So if all those people can earn money, why can't you as well? Just come on to this website and just click here on register button over here, and now just enter this simple information about yourself, such as your first name, your middle name, your last name, gender. It is optional. Company is also optional. You can just put like freelancer or something like that. Birth date over here, email address which has to be valid. Just make sure it is valid. And address here, I suggest that you take some address from USA, for example, because you will get more jobs, you will get more money. So just take some certain address from the internet. For example, you can just search for maybe hair salons in New York, and that's pretty easy, guys. As you can see, there are a lot of these, so just take their address, click on one, and you will have their address right over here. And just so these guys know that it is a valid email address, they won't check any more than that. And once you click on that, just complete this box over here and click on submit. And as you can see, guys, once you activate your account via verification mail that they're gonna send you, you are on the inside. And as you can see, congratulations, your account is now active and you are logged into your account. So guys, this is it. This is great, guys. As you can see, you can just go over and click on jobs over here, and then it's gonna open all of these jobs over here. And just look at this, guys. You can get paid, for example, 17 cents for watching a video. Here you can get 0.10 cents for watching a video, and that's every 15 seconds, guys. So you get this amount in 15 seconds. And it maybe doesn't sound like much, but just look at this, guys. So for example, 0.15, so 15 cents times 4, because that's gonna be in 1 minute. You can get 60 cents in 1 minute, guys. Now times 60, that's 60 minutes. Now that's $36 for you guys each hour by just watching videos. And if you do that, for example, for, I don't know, 4 hours per day, and that's gonna be $144 each day that you watch videos for 4 hours a day, guys. Now that's really cool. How cool is that? You are already watching a video right now, so imagine that each 15 seconds you get 17 cents or 20 cents like this guy has. That's really, really cool, guys. There are a lot of these options, as you can see. A lot of projects over here. A lot of them are on YouTube. You can get 16 cents for this one, 17 cents for this one. So there are a lot of options. A lot of money is here, guys. A lot of money. Now, you might be asking yourself, why would I actually get paid to watch videos on YouTube? The thing is, if you're gonna go to YouTube and you're gonna search for a certain keyword and then watch a video, then that video is gonna get increased in rankings for that particular keyword. And there are people actually paying you for doing this. So you can just go to YouTube, for example, then search for easy diet, for example, how to lose weight, and you're gonna hit enter, and then on whatever video you're gonna actually click and watch it, that video is gonna get a slight increase in rankings. And if, for example, some video is not getting views and this one is, then this one is gonna move up. And that simple interaction which these guys are making on this microworkers.com website, they are using the advantages of algorithm, so they will pay people like us which are gonna go and help them with that same algorithm. But there are a lot of these other jobs. As you can see, some of it is related to Bitcoin, some forums are here, some Giggle Out pages. There are a lot of jobs, so not only just YouTube, but YouTube is the best one, guys, because you can get a lot of money. I told you, $36 each hour, guys, $144 each day, so that's pretty good. I mean, that's a no-brainer for me. And if I can just go and watch videos like these, I mean, there is nothing better, really. And even if you get like 10 cents, so that's the most least offered there, so 10 cents times 4, now that's $0.4 for you each minute, guys, times 60 minutes, and that's $24 each day, guys, for you. Each day you can work for 1 hour and get $24. Or you can involve yourself a little bit more and then you can watch for 4 hours maybe again, and that's $96 for you every day, guys. $96 for just watching videos. Now, how cool is actually that? And you can even do it for even more time. The thing is here that the more time you invest in this method, the more money you're gonna get. That's how it works, guys. Nothing is gonna fall out of the sky. You have to watch some videos, and that's easy job, really. Imagine that you have to do something harder than that. I mean, watching videos and getting paid, it's like a dream come true, really. Around $100 daily for watching videos. I mean, who could refuse that? And you can see here that there are a lot of people who are using this website and earning money for themselves. Guys, almost 1 million people come here every month to get some money for themselves, and they are pretty satisfied as far as I can tell. And there are really a lot of these videos. This is one of them. So this is like some car video, and I don't know, it's up for 4 minutes, and you can just watch 15 seconds of it, and that's it, guys. That's it. The money is yours just by watching simple video. And these videos can be fun as well. As you can see, this one is really fun, so I really enjoy while doing this, and I earn money in the process. And of course, once you are satisfied with the amount of money that you have made, just click here on withdraw button, and you will just have to place a new withdrawal request by clicking on this button over here. It is very simple, guys. You can even track the tasks that you have finished so far, and you have also your campaigns here, so you can track everything here. You won't get lost. You can also make your account look well over here, and you will get some reviews as well. So just choose these ones. Involve your time into this because it is really profitable, guys. It is really profitable. And the things that you're gonna do here are really funny. Just watch videos, connect to certain websites, make simple account, just follow some websites, and that's it. Making certain screenshots, and it's very easy, guys. So I suggest that you go and take some action, and I'll catch you guys later.